You're not ugly, you just don't know how to upgrade your face. Look at any top male model. They looked average in their old photos too. They just learned the right habits that completely transformed their face. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to get that lethal, attractive face in 7 simple steps. The best part, you'll start seeing results in just 2 to 3 months. Let's start. Step 1. Lose body fat. This is the first and most important step. Get lean. Face fat hides your cheekbones and jawline, giving you a round, puffy look. It doesn't matter what haircut you have or what skincare you use. When you lose body fat, your face looks sharper, your jawline shows, and your whole body looks cleaner. You don't need to look like a bodybuilder. Just go from around 20% body fat to 10 to 12%. That's enough to look fit and confident. Start a calorie deficit. Do weight training to build muscle and cardio to lose fat. The good news is getting lean only takes 4 to 5 months in total, so you can transform fast. Also, cut out junk and bloating foods. You can have them once or twice a week, that's fine. But cut sugar completely. Sugar is the real enemy. It ruins your skin and makes you gain fat fast. When you get lean, your face, your style, your whole vibe, everything levels up. Step 2. Take care of your oral hygiene. You can be good looking, but if your teeth are yellow or your breath smells bad, it kills everything. Start taking oral hygiene seriously. Use an electric toothbrush. It cleans way better than a normal one. Use whitening strips a few times a week. They make your teeth look bright and clean. A white smile instantly makes you look attractive and friendly. It shows that you take care of yourself, and people always notice that. Step 3. Keep a simple skincare routine. You don't need 10 products, just 3 things: a cleanser, a moisturizer, and sunscreen. That's it. Wash your face twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. Don't wash more than that or your skin will dry out. After washing, apply moisturizer to keep your skin soft and healthy. And never skip sunscreen. Even if you stay indoors, sunlight still hits your skin and causes damage. Clean skin doesn't mean perfect skin. It just means you look fresh and well cared for. Step 4. Groom yourself properly. Grooming can completely change your look. Even if you have pimples, you can still look great if you're well groomed. Start with your eyebrows. Use a small face razor and remove extra hair from the sides. Don't overdo it, just clean them up. Trim your beard or stubble properly. And most importantly, get the right haircut. Hair is literally makeup for men. It changes your whole face. Look at any transformation. You'll always see a massive hairstyle upgrade. Step 5. Fix your sleep position. Stop sleeping face down. When you do that, fluid collects in your face, which is why it looks puffy in the morning. Instead, sleep on your back with your face slightly raised. You'll notice your face looks tighter and cleaner when you wake up. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference over time. Step 6. Practice your facial expression. You can gain a lot of influence just by controlling your face. Stand in front of a mirror for 5 to 10 minutes every day. Practice your smile, your confident look, and your resting face. Step 7. Fix your posture and neck position. Your posture changes how your face and body look. If your head is down and shoulders are slouched, your jawline disappears. Keep your chin up and shoulders back. It instantly makes your jawline pop and gives you a confident look. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and check the link in the description.